Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Flights to find the cheapest flights. First, use incognito mode. Open your browser in incognito mode. Then, search for Google Flights and open it. Why? Because in incognito, Google Flights won't use cookies to track your searches. If you check the same route over and over in a normal browser, airlines often raise prices since they know you're interested. Next, fixed dates, flexible destination. Let's say you want to travel on certain dates but don't care where. In Google Flights, enter your departure airport, for example, Singapore, and leave the destination blank. Select your travel dates, then click Explore. You'll see an interactive map showing flights to different cities with prices. Zoom in to regions like Southeast Asia to spot cheap hidden routes. Google even labels fares as low, typical, or high, so you'll know if it's a good deal. Next, flexible dates, fixed destination. Maybe you have a destination in mind like Tokyo, Japan, but your dates are flexible. Enter your departure and destination airports. Instead of picking exact dates, click flexible dates and choose options like 1 week trip in October. Google will then show you the cheapest weeks and days to fly. Next, flexible dates and destination. If you want the absolute cheapest trip, leave your destination blank and use flexible dates. For example, search anywhere in October for 1 week. Google will scan across the globe and show the cheapest cities to fly to. This method works best if you're open to traveling anywhere. And that's how you can use Google Flights to find cheap flights. Be flexible with either dates or destinations. Always use incognito and use the map to explore hidden gems. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.